doing today. We have another product here from Lidl. You might be able to get them on Amazon if you can. I'll put a link below. Usually it's a little bit more expensive on Amazon, and the prices fluctuate. And I do get a little bit of commission as well as associate. This is easy cut corded pet clippers. So it's got a cord on, 240 volts. This is an English plug. I suppose it'll be a European plug if you're in different countries. So it's in a nice little case as well. That's what kind of attracted me to it. So right, we'll get it out. I'll show you it back first then. So we've got a 3mm, 6mm, 10mm, 13mm clipper head for the how deep you want the cut to be, just like at your local barbers. A cleaning brush and a bit of oil where you usually put along there so your clippers run nice and smooth. And I don't know what that is yet. But like I say, it's all in a nice case, so that's kind of why it attracted to me. There's different languages there. And same again. So at the moment I take my cockapoo to a groomer's, and it cost me a fortune. It even cost me more than just buying these clippers alone. So a bit of DIY, I'm going to do it myself. So yes, it just opens up here. Open it up. We've got instructions, all in different languages. Folded like a map. Warranty. Other stuff. So we've got we'll get them out. So we've got the different size clippers heads here, 4 in total. So I just recommend doing the bigger one first to get used to it. We've got the oil and the cleaning brush. And we've got the clippers itself. So that's the actual protector, what's on here. You can see that's what that is. So usually just slides on, can you see, and clips at the bottom. It's struggling a bit here. There we are. I've got screws and plates in my wrist, so I'm a little bit not very strong there. As you can see now, perfect. So you do it along like that. I'm in my van at the moment, but we've got 240 volts, so we'll put it on and see how noisy it is as well. So just bear with me a second. It's a nice, quite longish cord as well. I'd say it's 2 meters, just by top of my head. my compressors is going to turn on. So we have power here. So it's just a standard, like it is at the barbers. So it's a beautiful little kit. I paid £10, no sorry, £19 in Lidl. So I don't know how much the rest will be. So a nice carry case, and like I say, 4 different edges. So that's nice and short and sweet. So I might do a demonstration later on. I'll put a picture on of my little cockapoo. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. There's more products coming shortly, especially about my van as well. So if you're interested about motorhomes, I've got a microwave. What I'm going to do. Thank you. Goodbye.